Korean 3 Lesson 5 lecture. 한국 시리즈 경기 봤어? Did you watch the Korean series game? First grammar, 거든, indicating that you plan to continue talking. It sets up a story situation, as in saying, you see, and it's usually followed by 그런데 근데 그래서. That this is the situation, so therefore, okay, and speaker gives the surprising or unexpected information following 거든, okay. You can use this with both verb or adjective. All you have to do is take out the 다 from the dictionary form and add 거든. Just circling back to the sentence ending of this in Korean 7, lesson 18.6, 거든요. So this is to provide a reason, justification, or clarification for a situation as a statement. The speaker expects the listener to understand the correlation between the situation and the reason or explanation by saying, you see, this is the situation. This is the reason why, okay? This takes tense at 없거든요 for both the statement, of course, but also the sentence ending, but also for the clause version, which we are dealing with now. Very simple for the non-past. Whether it's a verb or adjective, even with some irregulars, all you have to do is take out the 다. You add 거든 to the verb or adjective base, as in 있다 becomes 있거든, 하다 becomes 하거든, 좋다 becomes 좋거든, 싸다 becomes 싸거든, 안타깝다 becomes 안타깝거든. For copula, 이다, 팬이거든, 경기거든. If the noun ends in consonant, 이거든, otherwise 거든. For past, it would become just 없거든, 있었거든, 했거든, 좋았거든, 쌌거든, 안타까웠거든, 팬이었거든, 였거든. So if the noun ends in consonant, 이었거든, otherwise 경기, 였거든. For future, the pronunciation can be a little confusing because you have the call twice. 있을 거거든, 할 거거든. That first initial call comes from 있을 거예요. And then you add 거든. 있을 거거든, 할 거거든, 좋을 거거든, 쌀 거거든, 안타까울 거거든, 팬일 거거든, 경기일 거거든. Okay? And it will sound like 거거든 because the 리을 and 기억 will intensify that initial and then 거든. 요즘 수영 배우거든요. 그런데 연습 후에 너무 배가 고파요. See, it sets up a situation. I happen to be learning how to swim. But after practice, I'm so hungry. But then after practice, I'm so hungry. 오늘 새 카페에 갔거든. 근데 정말 예쁜 거야. Okay. Even if it's not a strong contrast, like I went to a new cafe today, and and I find it really cute. It's really pretty inside. 지금 웹툰 다 읽었거든. 근데 그렇게 될 줄 완전 끝까지 몰랐어. Okay, so right now I just finished reading all of the webtoon, and but then I didn't know that that's how the ending would be. Okay, 완전 끝까지 몰랐어. I completely didn't know that until the end that's what's going to happen. Okay, so it's a really shocking end until the very end. Okay. 아는 친구가 짝사랑을 하거든요. 그런데 옆에서 보는 게 안타깝네요. So a friend I know has a crush. Okay, is simping on somebody. 그런데 and to watch him or her next to them is it feels really 안타깝다 it's really regrettable. Other meanings will be, it's a negative feeling. Okay. 안타깝다 can mean yeah, it's sadness, but also frustration. Like it feels very sadly frustrating. Okay. That you feel helpless, watching them suffer. 응원을 많이 했거든. 그래서 오늘 목이 많이 아파. This one is 그래서 instead of 근데 or 그런데. You did a lot of cheering, so today that's why your throat hurts a lot today. Okay. 보통 술을 많이 안 먹거든. So that's the background. Usually I don't drink that much. I don't drink a lot. 근데 어제 기억이 안 나. Okay. But then I can't remember what happened yesterday. And the metaphorical expression for this in Korean is 필름이 끊기다. The film is it's a it can't be put together. This was before the days of digital streaming, you guys. The actual physical film was it's disconnected. So we can have these background situations and you guys can have some surprising turn of events to tell. 어제 데이트했거든요. So I went on a date yesterday. Tell us more. Think of any country. name of the country, 나라에 여행 갔거든요. 크로에시아에 여행 갔거든요. 프랑스에 여행 갔거든요. 한국에 여행 갔거든요. And then tell us more. Okay. 근데 and then and or 그래서 so okay. 요즘 한국어를 배우거든요. I happen to be learning Korean. Okay. 남자 여자 친구가 생겼거든요. I now have a boyfriend or girlfriend. 졸업할 거거든요. So I will be graduating. Okay. 한국 드라마, name the drama. Okay. 보거든요. Like lately, this is what I'm watching. Okay. So how is it slightly different than 는데? Okay. It's 어제 데이트 했는데. This is a little bit more colloquial. Like this is what I did. I did a thing yesterday that's is very colloquial. Okay. Reported question. You are reporting what somebody asked. Okay. The 하다 part can be replaced with question vocabulary. 묻다, 물어보다, 질문하다. And you're reporting what somebody had asked. If it's a verb based, 야구해요. Adjective, same thing. You just take out the 다 from the dictionary form. 야구해요. And for noun, 이냐고해요. 이 is inserted if the noun ends in consonant. 있냐고 해요. 하냐고 해요. 안타깝냐고 해요. 싸냐고 해요. 팬이냐고 해요. 경기냐고 해요. Okay, and it can be contracted. The reduced form is 냐요, 있냐요, 하냐요. 안타깝냐요, 싸냐요. 팬이네요, 경기네요. Okay, the full form, if you can use either full or the reduced form, you have a choice. If it's in the past, 있냐고 해요, 했냐고 해요. They asked, what they asked is this. Okay, 안타까웠냐고 해요. Were you like, was it regrettable? They ask. 쌌냐고 해요. Was it cheap? They ask. Okay. 팬이었냐고 해요. Were you a fan at some point? 경기였냐고 해요. And the short form of those are 이었네요, 했네요, 안타까웠네요, 쌌네요, 팬이었네요, 경기였네요. So there's that famous, children's song, 산토끼 토끼야 어디를 가느냐, right? Is asking where you going. Wild rabbit. 산토끼 is mountain rabbit, but it means it's wild rabbit. 어디, so that when somebody's singing that, you convey that to another person. 어디 가냐고 해요. 어디 가냐요. They're asking the rabbit. Somebody's asking the rabbit, where are you going? 홈런이에요. Is a home run? They're asking. 홈런이냐고 해요. 홈런이에요. They're asking if it's a home run. Okay. You're reporting a question from somebody. Okay. 조용해요. Is it quiet? 조용하냐고 해요. 조용하네요. So they're asking if it's quiet. Okay. 이겼어요. Did you win? So somebody says, did you win? 이겼냐고 해요. 이겼네요. Please put this then into question form. 지금 바쁘세요? How can you say they are asking if you're busy right now? This is honorific. So 지금 바쁘시냐고 해요. You insert she for honorific. 바쁘시냐요. 다쳤냐? 다쳤니? 다쳤냐고 물어요. 다쳤네요. Okay. 물어요. They're asked to ask is 물어요. 해요, just neutral. That's what they say. That's the question that they say. And 질문해요, they question. 참여해요. Are you participating? 참여하냐고 해요. 하니에요. 밤새웠어요. Did you stay up all night? 밤새웠냐고 해요. 밤새웠니에요. 치맥이에요. They're asking if it's 치맥. What is 치맥, you guys? It's chicken and 맥주. 맥주 is beer, so it becomes 치맥, chicken and beer. Koreans' favorite snack. 치맥이냐고 해요. 이니에요. 안타까워요. 안타까워요. 안타깝냐고 해요. 안타깝니에요. 냐고 해요. 물어요. 질문해요. So you are reporting these questions. 몇 살이에요? 어제 뭐 했어요? 어디 살아요? 남자, 여자친구 멋있어요? 한국어 수업 어때요? 수업 후에 뭐 해요? 몇 살이에요? 몇 살이냐고 해요. what is it? 했냐고 해요. 어디? Real irregular, you guys. 사냐고 해요. For irregular, yes, you RL final consonant, you drop the RL. 사냐고 해요. 멋있냐고 해요. 어떠냐고 해요. 어떠냐고 해요. Okay, it would be without hi응. Okay, 뭐 하냐고 해요. Again, reporting proposal. He or she says, let's do this, let's do that. Okay, obviously it's proposal, so only verb base, and 자고 하다. Okay, and reduced form is 제요. Okay, verb that ends in consonant, 는다고 해요, 돼요. For vowel ending, you place 니은 and final consonant and 타고 해요 or 돼요. past would be 타고 했어요, 됐어요. Okay. Let's look at some actual examples applying these rules. 여행 동안 호텔에서 묵는다고 해요. 묵는데요. Okay. 하고 했어요 or 묵는 됐어요. These are just statements, not proposals. And this is a good review. 일기예보에서 오늘 비가 온다고 해요. 온대요. They just reporting statements. They say in the weather forecast that it will rain today. It rains today. 놀이기구가 무섭다고 해요. 무섭대요. They say the amusement park ride is scary. And now the command, when you are saying somebody tells you to do this, okay? It's 으라고 해요 for consonant ending verb. Vowel ending verb just 라고 해요. And it's the same for real ending just 라고 해요, even if it ends in a consonant. 책을 읽으라고 해요. 책을 읽으래요. They say to read. 운동하라고 해요. 운동하래요. They say to exercise. They're telling you to exercise. 버스표를 팔라고 해요. 팔래요. They say to sell the bus ticket. Okay. Please note the 는다 speech style ending and the report forms. They are almost parallel. Okay. For statement, if it is verb, 는다, 니은다, and dictionary form for adjectives. See how it's the same for statements. 는다고, 니은다고, and dear, same thing. The same irregular would apply. And dictionary form 고 for adjective. And question can be either ni or 냐 at the end. 냐 is a little archaic, but still okay. And when you are making them into reporting, 냐고, 으냐고 해요. For proposal, 자고 해요. Okay. And ra, the command and request, 으라고 해요. And for adjective, you can make adjective into a verb by saying, putting it into to become, 아어치다. And when it's reduced, it's 돼요, 네요, 제요, 돼요. Please review this thoroughly. And when the reported form is reduced, statement, when it's copula이라고 하다, question 이냐고, and it will be just 이래요 from 이라고 하다, 이냐고 comes 이냐요. 이냐고 해요 becomes just 이냐요. 이라고 하다 becomes 이래요. Let's do something. 우리 와인 마실까요? 와인 마시자고 해요. Okay, 우리 뛰어가자. Let's go running. 뛰어가자고 해요. That's what they are saying. Let's do this. Let's do that. 내일 또 만날래요? 만나자고 해요. 만나재요. They say to let's meet again. 같이 앉아요. 같이 앉아요. Let's sit together. 앉자고 해요. 앉재요. They say let's sit together. 우리 내기하자 means 내기 is let's have a bet. 내기하자고 해. 하재. It's obviously you're talking to somebody who is you're very close. 영화 볼까요? Shall we watch a movie? 영화 보자고 해요. 보재요. The short form is 보재요. 우리 짠 해요. Let's clink glasses. 우리 짠 하자고 해요. 하재요. 좀 더 기다리는 게 어때? How about if we wait a little bit more? 좀 더 기다리자고 해. 좀 더 기다리재. Please report these proposals as if you are conveying it to somebody else who didn't hear them directly. 내일 바닷가에 가요. 가재요. 가자고 해요. 오후 6시에 만날래요? 만나재요. 만나자고 해요. 주말에 등산할까요? 등산하자고 해요. 하재요. 한국어 공부 같이 해. Let's study Korean together. 하자고 해요. 하재요. 내년에 한국에 같이 갈까? 같이 가재요. 가자고 해요. 계속 연락해요. 연락하자고 해요. 연락하재요. That's it for Korean 3, lesson 5.